Best deals.
1. Saucepan is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Pan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Is great to cook tea, boil milk, roasting spices. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Multi-kettle. Fry eggs with minimal oil. Sauté vegetables for upma. Scramble breakfast without butter sticking everywhere. Make golden poha without it cementing to the bottom. Cook Maggi without burnt noodles glued on. Even reheat rice or dal without creating stuck-on disasters. The 1000 ml non-stick interior with 600 W power gives your restaurant quality cooking anywhere, hotel rooms, train compartments, office pantries, or your own AC bedroom. Perfect for traveling families who need real cooked meals, not just boiled water. 1000 ml capacity feeds 2 to 3 people easily. Powerful 600 W heating means no waiting, hot, hygienic, home-style meals ready faster than ordering takeout. Finally, food on your schedule during vacations, visits to relatives, office lunch breaks, or hostel life. Handles fold completely flat and the power cord with base stores inside the kettle body that saves space and sanity. Slides into any suitcase corner without adding weight or bulk. At home, tucks away in the smallest kitchen cabinet, freeing counter space for things you actually use daily. Designed for real Indian homes and real traveling families who can't waste an inch, else. The moment food is ready, switch to keep warm. Now the meal stays perfectly hot while you bathe the baby, pack school bags, answer work emails, or simply catch your breath. No cold food disappointments. No rushing everyone to eat immediately. No reheating that ruins taste and texture. The multi-kettle waits patiently until your family is actually ready to sit and eat together. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Container. Crafted from high-quality, unbreakable polypropylene, these containers are built to endure daily use while retaining their integrity. They are 100% airtight, ensuring your dry fruits and snacks stay fresh and flavorful for longer. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tea infusers. Is designed to meet all your brewing needs for years to come. Large enough to prepare a full pot of tea, it easily fits standard teapots, teacups, mugs, and travel mugs. The wide, two-handled design is easy to hold and helps prevent burns, is easy to clean and leaves no residue. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg tray. Comes with a 3-layer foldable structure that can store up to 24 eggs securely. The compact design ensures maximum storage while keeping your refrigerator organized. With this egg holder for kitchen, you can easily manage eggs without wasting space. The upgraded rotating design of this egg tray allows you to access eggs layer by layer with ease. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. Is made from safe plastic that's BPA free. It keeps your food safe and visible with its clear design, making items easy to find quickly. Organizer has a sleek spring lever design for easy railing length adjustment, ensuring it fits perfectly on your fridge shelf. Box is great for keeping condiments, vegetables, fruits, meat, cooked food, cheese, snacks, and more organized in your fridge. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Carry handle. Firmly locks onto bottle necks to prevent slipping or dropping. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cutlery set. Ideal set for many occasions, your daily use, outdoor dinnerware, party serving, and buffet. The mirrored finish strengthens its resistance to rust. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Brush. Tackles dirt and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. 30 cm wide brush head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap, leaving surfaces dry and streak-free in one motion. 45-degree angle design reduces back strain, while detachable parts allow easy storage. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Electric chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. The bowl and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Casserole. Made from premium quality plastic materials, the break-resistant knob, the transparent unbreakable glass lid and a safety hole in the glass lid not only makes it anti-lock, it also lets out the aroma. Double-valved inner stainless steel casserole keeps food hot and fresh for hours. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Stretch lids. Are perfect for covering various kitchen utensils, keeping your food fresh and secure. Ideal for everyday use in the kitchen, are made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dish drying mat. This multifunctional kitchen drying mat for wet utensils can also serve as a sink mat for kitchen drain, providing versatility and convenience. Its adaptable design ensures it meets various kitchen needs. Mat for kitchen ensures optimal absorption, making it an ideal kitchen mat for drying utensils. It efficiently captures excess water, safeguarding your kitchen slab from moisture. Crafted from premium silicone, this mat for kitchen slab is both durable and heat-resistant. It serves as a reliable kitchen utensils drying mat, accommodating high temperatures without warping or melting. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Organizer. This wall-mount shower caddy can help you better organize your bathroom necessities. Shelves are made of 100% stainless steel, rust-proof and durable. The upgraded version of the transparent non-marking self-adhesive provides you with more robust stability. It can be installed without drilling, ideal for uneven or painted walls. The two installation methods are suitable for all walls so that you can buy them with confidence. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pan. Comes with a single long handle and, in a larger capacity, with two short handles. Both all-purpose pans have snug-fit dome-shaped lids which are suitable for simmering. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Curd maker. Features a BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel sieve that ensures smooth straining and perfect creamy texture every time. Comes with a spacious and hygienic 1000 ml container for easy collection, storage, and refrigeration without any mess. Can make 200 gm yogurt from 500 gm curd. Made from high-quality rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use, easy cleaning, and safe food handling. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drying rack. Made from premium breathable mesh and sturdy steel wire for durability and efficient airflow during drying. 3 spacious layers provide ample room for drying herbs, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and clothing. Front zipper design allows for easy access while preventing items from falling out during drying. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drain basket. With hanging design perfect for storing sponges, brushes, soap, vegetables and kitchen tools while keeping your sink area organized. Features a secure anti-slip hanging design that keeps the basket firmly in place over your sink during use. Ideal for washing and draining fruits, vegetables, noodles, and more. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Pressure cooker. Enhance your cooking experience with this ergonomically designed pressure cooker with inner lid. It is ideal to cook for 3 to 4 persons. Both its body and the lid are made from food-grade stainless steel to ensure greater hygiene and durability. Its stay-cool handles provide optimum comfort and protection from excessive heat while cooking. Its specially formulated food-grade rubber increases product longevity and does not react to food or impart color, taste or odor to it. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Paniyaram pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron Paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Cook crispy and yummy varieties of paniyarams effortlessly like sweet up, masala up and many more. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kulfi mold. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds, maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. Made in India product with 100% food grade and BPA free material. Because for us, your health is the most important requirement. This feature also helps reduce waste with an eco-friendly, reusable design. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. No more sticky hands. These ice cream molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Molds keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips. These popsicle sticks are well designed and perfect for making yummy frozen desserts like umbrella-shaped ice cream, gola, ice candies, kulfi, juice sticks, frozen coffee and many more. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Drainer. Made using high-quality, durable plastic. Equipped with a portable spoon, fork and knife holder. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Can also be used to store not so frequently used utensils, keeping your kitchen clutter-free, clean, and well-equipped. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopper. Built with a high-performance 800W pure copper motor that delivers fast and efficient chopping in seconds. Electric chopper is perfect for chopping onions, garlic, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even small portions of meat effortlessly. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Bottle sterilizer. Ensure 99.99% quick disinfection of baby bottles and baby necessities with natural steam. Quickly dry your bottles with hot, filtered air, so your bottles are hygiene and ready for the next feed within 30 minutes. It's time to throw the old drying rack once you own the Promum bottle dryer. With enough room, 6 large bottles, up to 11 small size feeding bottles and other baby products such as pacifiers, spoons, toothbrushes. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Dispenser. The drinking water pump is easy to be installed and carried. It is ideal for offices, outdoor, public places, hotels, picnics or camping activities and anywhere. You'll always have fresh water at your disposal both indoors and outdoors if you use an electric water dispenser. The one-touch button is also covered with silicone for your safety. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Electric spin mop. An electric spin mop is a modern and useful tool that makes cleaning floors much easier and faster than using a normal mop and a heavy bucket. This smart cleaning device uses battery power to spin 2 round cleaning pads very fast. The fast spinning action helps rub away sticky spots, dirt, and dust from hard floors without making your arms tired. You do not need to push hard or scrub the floor yourself. The spinning pads do most of the hard work for you as you guide the mop across the room. The spin mop wet mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor. The mopper fabric disc works with 150 rpm speed for effective mopping, 180-degree swivel handle and 2-step adjustable extension rod for easy cleaning. Runs on a built-in rechargeable battery so you can walk from room to room without a cord getting in your way. Features a small button on the handle that sprays clean water or floor soap right in front of the mop head. Lets you change the height of the stick so it feels comfortable for tall or short people to hold. Weighs very little, making it easy to push, pull, and turn around corners or under chairs. 2 round cloth pads spin in opposite directions to lift up dirt smoothly and polish the floor at the same time. Cleans wood safely by using just the right amount of mist from the sprayer so the wood does not get too wet. Removes dirt stuck in the small lines between tiles, making kitchen and bathroom floors shine. Works well on smooth stone, vinyl, and laminate surfaces in the home, kitchen, or office. Electric Spin Mop is a cordless, battery-powered floor cleaner featuring a 150 rpm dual spinning head, a 175 to 200 ml integrated water spray tank, and a 180-degree swivel adjustable handle. It is designed for effortless wet and dry cleaning on wooden, tile, laminate, and marble floors. Charge the battery fully for 4 hours before your first use. Press the power button on the handle to turn on the unit and activate the front LED lights. Press and hold the spray button on the handle to release water from the built-in tank onto the floor, release the button to stop. Guide the cordless mop smoothly across tiles or wood. The 150 rpm spinning pads do the scrubbing for you. Use the 2-step adjustable extension rod to set a comfortable height and avoid bending your back. Detach the reusable microfiber pads after use and wash them thoroughly by hand or machine. Empty any leftover water from the tank after you finish cleaning. Wipe the main body with a dry or damp cloth, let the pads air dry completely, and store the mop upright in a dry location. An electric spin mop is a cordless, motorized cleaning tool featuring an adjustable handle, built-in water sprayer, and high-speed spinning pads designed to make automatic wet mopping effortless across wooden floors, tiles, and hard surfaces in homes, kitchens, and offices. Powered by a rechargeable battery for easy movement without tangled power cords. Includes a lightweight, adjustable extension rod and a 180-degree swivel head to reach under furniture and tight corners. Fabric discs rotate at speeds around 150 rpm or higher to scrub and lift dirt automatically. Features an onboard water tank, typically 175 ml to 200 ml with a handle-mounted spray button for controlled moisture. Safe and effective on delicate hardwood, laminate, vinyl, marble, and ceramic floor tiles. Comes with washable microfiber or soft fabric pads designed for wet washing and dry polishing. Lightweight structure reduces physical strain on the back and wrists during daily cleaning routines. The spin mop wet mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor. Effortlessly clean floors with advanced spin technology. Perfect for efficient and convenient floor cleaning at home. Product link is given in the 26th link.